New information, the nation's former Surgeon General Vivek Murthy says Congress has failed to protect children's mental health. In an interview on Meet the Press, he accused lawmakers of falling short when it comes to keeping children safe, calling on them to act now. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joins us. Murthy did not just call out lawmakers in that interview, Jeff, but also social media companies. How does he say this issue should be addressed?
The former Surgeon General, who worked for both President Obama and Biden, called for more data transparency from social media companies so researchers can study the internet's effects on kids. During an interview on Sunday, Murthy said that he would like to see Congress pass legislation that would force social media apps to include warning labels about their harms to children and would allow for more data transparency from social media companies. The former Surgeon General comparing social media to cars, pointing to safety features like seatbelts, airbags, also crash testing.
It's equivalent of putting our kids in cars with no seatbelts, with no airbags, and having them drive on roads with no speed limits and no traffic lights. And that is just morally unacceptable. I think Congress has so far failed in its responsibility to protect our kids, but it's not too late. They need to step up and act now.
In recent years, Congress has tried to pass legislation to better regulate social media platforms. For example, the Kids Online Safety Act and Children and Teens Online Privacy Protection Act, neither, though, receiving a vote on the House floor. Murthy also linked the rise in social media use among children to the broader loneliness epidemic, warning that chronic loneliness can be detrimental to people's health, adding online connections are not the same as building in-person relationships.